Now let's do it again with our sticker project. Last time we finished messing with Git. We said Git help guide. No manual entry for Git guide. Git help Git help G. Then we got Git help tutorial, I think. Tutorial. Yo, that's it, yeah? Yeah, that's it. And we've been right over somewhere. Yeah, over here. We've been over here. Git status. Git. Yeah, we've been over here. You can view the history. Complete diffs at each step. Use git log p. Open the overview of the change. Is useful to get a feel of each step. Let's try this one. Git log p and git stat summary. Git log p. Alright, wow, that look. Oh, that's a lot of stuff. Gets a lot. Ooh, Madonza. Oh, what's this? Oh, that's some jQuery stuff. That's not mine. I did not write this. It's for, yeah, like those min.js jQuery. Alright. Alright. So you can see git log p and also git log stat summary. Git log stat summary. Okay. This one gives you the description and which file you changed, and that we added 26 lines. Stuff like that, you know. Okay. See how big the change is. Like this is a big one, yeah, because we had this Q unit stuff. This was April 7th of last year. Okay. Interesting. Alright, managing branches. Alright, yeah, that's what we want to do. We're right here. We got in this mess of reading Git because we got in trouble with a branch. So we say a single Git repository can maintain multiple branches of development. To create a new branch named experimental, use git branch experimental. Alright, if you now run git branch, you'll get a list of all existing branches. We know that. The experimental branch is the one you just created, and the master branch is the default branch that was created for you automatically. The asterisk marks the branch you're currently on. Type git checkout experimental. Alright. To switch to the experimental branch, now edit a file, commit change, and switch back to the master branch. Yeah, that's all cool. I'm no fool, but anyway, I end up dropping out of high school. Check that the change you made is no longer visible. Yes, since it was made on the experimental branch and now you're back on the master branch. You can make a different change on the master branch. Yes, so what happened over here? I committed a change on the Ajax branch, and I wanted to push, and I switched to main. I wanted to push it, but it sets everything up to date. So you can make different change on the master branch. At this point, the two branches have diverged with different changes made in each. To merge the changes made in experimental into master, run git merge experimental. Now I think I did wrong because I missed the point of branches. Branches should help you with development, and what I did, I was trying to publish different versions. I mean different, not versions. Different flavors of my program by different branches, and that was a mistake. And in trying to quickly solve it, I made some bamboozles, and I like messing with the remote addresses and stuff like that. Alright, so let's read forward. At this point, two branches have diverged with different changes made in each. If the changes don't conflict, you're done. If there are conflicts, markers will be left in the problematic file showing the conflict. Git-diff will show this. Alright, once you've edited the files to... Yeah, because this is a good one. You just say git-diff. Up until now, I was always wondering that I, like, oh, do I have to, like, hunt them down file by file? And no, I don't have to. I can just press git-diff. We'll show this. Once you've edited the files to resolve the conflicts, git commit add will commit the results of the merge. Finally, git k will show a nice graphical representation of resulting history. You for real? At this point you could delete the experimental branch with git branch delete experimental. This command ensures that the changes in the experimental branch are already in the current branch. Alright, if you develop on a branch crazy idea, then regret it, you can always delete the branch with git branch big D crazy idea. Yeah, alright. Branches are cheap and easy, so this is a good way to try something out. I know, man, maybe too cheap for what I tried to do earlier. So git k, not found, sudo app installed with git k. So I need to also install git k. Look right here, it says git k. So let's see, what is git k? Git k. Description displays changes in SS. This includes visualizing the commit graph showing information related to each commit. Alright, let's download it then, you know. If you say git k, let's just first update sudo apt get update. And my password, you don't know it, because you shouldn't, you know. And then we say git k sudo apt get git apt get installino pane vino git k. Yes, I want it. Yo. Wow, it relies on a lot of dependencies. Ah, okay. I see what's going on. That's interesting. Moved service worker in the main one. It was, wow, it shows at the time and everything, man. So you can use this. Live code beta. Factored. Here I merged some stuff, you know. So diff old version, new version, update list, restart git GUI. Isn't this git GUI? Yeah, this is it, man. I think the most similar commands are okay. So I guess this is just the name of this only this branch, you know. We'll have a break for our eyes. So let's have a break for our eyes. But that's a good thing. We can, when we find a solution, we can confirm it in gitk. All right, close the gitk. So if we say git branch, we run the main branch. Okay, didn't we make Ajax branch the last time? Yo, I'm really confused. Oh my god, I'm so confused right now. My head is starting to hurt. Like, wasn't there an Ajax branch right over here? Like, this is move service worker. We made it. Now. It's so frustrating, man. Man. You got over here. All right, let's read some more. We stated here using Git for collaboration. Here Alice and Bob will collaborate. Bob master merge exploring history. Exploring Git history is represented as a series of interrelated commits. We can all right, I gotta let's delete the experimental branches of this repository. So we got git. Oh, if we say git k, now here we only see the admin branch. So let's remove the admin branch, you know. Let's close the git k, and we say git merge small d, and then we say admin branch. Unknown switch. Why is there an unknown switch, man? Because right here, look, it says d, git branch d. Git branch. Yeah. All right. Nice. Now we've got machine play spike. If we say machine, deleted, you know, and I'm not worried because right here it says that if there would be anything important in it, the system would notify us, you know. So let's try to delete or just git, like, because now we say git log and there's this head is over here, it's main, you know. But if we say git checkout switch to and say git log over here, head committing to be able to switch to master branch. Django, remove Django channels. Yeah, I modified some stuff on like 1 to 2 weeks ago. Machine play. Oh my, yeah, they're so many, you know, materials intervention, live code beta 2, live release, origin head, VS mode. Oh, because these are tags, fetch head, live code beta is also tag, live release beta version 1 is, I guess, also. Materials intervention is not important, we can delete that. So checkout main, switch to branch main. Alright, your branch and origin main. Your branch and origin / main have diverged. So this main branch has 6 and the origin one has 8 different commits. And I'm having trouble understanding that. So we could first let's just delete the VS mode. It's not fully merged, yeah? If you're sure you want to delete it, run like, yeah, alright, now, yeah, cool now. Did this one show that it's not fully merged? Because we don't want it to be fully merged. These are basically 2 different projects now. But yeah, this is our problem, diverged. When branches have diverged, we need to search for that keyword in our tutorial. Managing branches. Using Git for collaboration. Fetch head. Alright, so I guess this is something that Bob and Alice would do. Like Bob has 8 different stuff and Alice too. So we say same. Bob begins with, he clones it, this creates a new directory. He just clones it of the original project's history. Like first, not first. I want to see the workflows. Git help. I want to see the list of the remotes. So bisect, use binary search to find the commit that introduced a bug. Show commit logs, status, branch, checkout, diff, merge, rebase, reapply commits on top of another paste, fetch, push. Where is the remote one? Git help. Do A. We'll get a bunch of them. Now, yeah, remote. So we say, well, there's a lot of them, man. Cherry pick, clean, column, commit, tree, config, count, objects, credential, catch, daemon. So we say git remote help. So get URL, set head, manage set of track repositories. So manage the set of repositories for modes whose branches you track. Yeah, and like all of those right now I think are on GitHub. A remote URL after name. this must be placed between remote and subcommand with no argument. So yeah, so if I just say git remote verbose, I got this is origin for fetch and push. Fair. Alright, I guess that is not a problem. And if I go to my this one and I want to see remotes, like this one, you know, web sticker, and if I want to see remotes, security pull requests, bomb cryptography, where can I see remotes? On the GitHub, JavaScript, like yep, I mean quit polluting my branches depend about James Close is watching my project. That's interesting. Uh-huh. Okay. All right. Contributors, community. Like if this is a Git repository, like there are branches, manage access. Okay. Fuck you, GitHub. Go fuck yourself, GitHub, piece of shit. Fucking Microsoft, piece of shit. Just say, so we have git branch. I wanna see head. Head is not a valid branch name. Alright, to say fetch head. Alright, now we got a fetch head. Alright, say git log service worker, and that is also fetch head. So if we say just git branch delete fetch head, it will also be deleted. Yeah, no biggie. Alright, so I guess right now we've got different stuff going on here. So we just say let's go back to GitHub, GitHub, yeah. Then we'll just delete this one. it's over here. Transfer, delete. Please be certain. Please type. Alright. I understand the consequences. What did it suggest? Oh, is it correct? I think it's correct. Wow. Alright, now let's congratulate ourselves and rest our eyes. For making such a responsible choice. Alright. And we've deleted that one, and what we are gonna do, local branching on the chip. What we are going to do is to run the tests against this current branch. So we'll just say Python manage test functional tests, and if all is green, we shall just like copy this branch with this history to another repository, and we're gonna deploy that. Or if this is the master, why not just deploy from this repository, and if we want to work from it, we'll make a new directory. I think that's almost a little bit too much mental gymnastics for me, but Para. Yeah, this is cool. This is all right. So if I say like git-k, you see we're over here, and if we say git branch and we say wanna go to VS mode, yeah, we wanna go check out. Switch the branch and do git-k. Yeah. Oh, there's some cursing over here. Well, if you're under 18, look away. So this is what we shall build on later, you know? Committing to be able to switch to master branch. The irony. The irony. And I made that, yeah, last, I don't know, week. What was the difference, man? To player game. I made some commits. Yeah, but those commits were from commit was like 12 days ago, but the changes have been made even further back. So yeah, like I don't know what will be with this WebSocket mode. So let's just change to main, and you have 6 and 8. So alright, we say git pull, because right now what we want to do is to deploy this version. Well, if say Python manage run server, we want to make sure that this one has is PVA, you know. So, oh my god. No, it doesn't work. You have to press inspect and then you can empty cache and hard reload. So yeah, this is a PVA, you know. Alright, there could be like a test if this is a PVA. Alright, so let us do a git pull and see what happens. Like what's up with that? Merge branches main and master. Yo, is that it? Like is that the reason I have to make git pull? Is, oh my god, man. Merge branches main and master. Yeah, exit. So what happened? Oh, routing PY is over there, settings PI is over, a fab file. Alright, I need fab file. That's with a B, not with a P. So I don't need consumers, I don't need, there's a bunch of useless stuff. Like why? I mean, alright, at least we have saved ourselves from some confusion. If we say git diff, there's no difference, but now look, if we do the tests again, I bet they'll be red, because there is this there's this WebSocket code that maybe conflicts, you know, like right over here. Maybe they won't be able to play. Yeah, see, it fails. So what happened is that this git pull fucked our repository up a bit. Like, and I don't even know how it happened. I'll just repair it, you know. I don't even want to know. Like, this one failed and that's it, and that's because of these changes to settings. I want to keep the fab file though. This is trash, this is trash, this is why is there a difference to fab file for real? This is kinda trash. Yeah, this needs to be deleted, this needs to be deleted. I don't know about this. If we say code, like to see all these changes in Visual Code, Visual Studio Code, and go to settings. Alright, this PVA stuff is like, what are you piling? I don't want a piling. Do not show again. For improved Python editing with faster. No, I don't want fucking faster completions. Fucking piece of shit piling. You have Docker installed on your system. Do you want to install? Show recommendations. I recommend you shut the fuck up. Don't show it again. They want to ignore all extension recommendations. Well, if I say yes, I'm gonna shoot myself in the foot. Unless I stop using this piece of shit Visual Studio Code. No, unable to watch for file changes in this large workspace. How is this a large workspace? Come on, man. Please follow the instructions. Like, how is this a large workspace? That's like 30 files, man. Come on. Alright, let's follow the instructions. Package git is not like... The code bin does not bring the window to the foreground. Visual installation, so you say installation Linux, common questions, Windows, so setting as a, like what's wrong? Debian and moving files to trash. This one. When you see this notification, it indicates that the VS Code file watcher is running out of handles because the workspace is large and contains many files. Before adjusting platform limits, make sure that potentially large folders such as Python, venv, are added to the files watcher exclude. Alright. Setting more details below. The current limit can okay. Files watcher exclude, you know. Alright, so like how do we access like the no go if I want to say appearance, explorer, search, extensions, terminal, running Visual Studio Code. So if I want to say just like this, my ultimate VS Code configuration. Disabled minimap. Since we are writing modular code, there's no need for this. Autosave enabled. Like, where do you go? You say, oh, where is the configuration file, selection, view, file, add folder, save workspace. I want to remove folder from workspace, preferences, settings. Nice. Alright. And I want to find watcher exclude. I want to add a pattern. On absolute paths. Alright, if I want to exclude this one, virtual env. So I guess I just say like this, because in all of the repositories I call it virtual env. So I say okay. Alright, and we restart it. Alright, so it's still here. No, don't remind me later. Why? You're basically crippling people by... Oh my god. It's like fucking Nestle in Africa. Pieces of shit, man. Fucking sons of bitches. Well, fuck it, I don't care, man. Unsaved. What's unsaved over here? It's the same shit, man. Functional test, PVA, VSGI and ASGI application. You see? We don't want, I think we don't want this to be here. And yeah, we don't want this to be here at all. So what's the thing, you know? What's the thing? If we say git log, by merging this, we use one of our, like, git log p. Is that it? Yeah. So I don't see why this has not showed anything. Alright, let's what's that sweet git command that we have learned? It's stat summary. Yo, this one does not have any summary, come on. Okay, now we can see clearly now the rain is gone. Ta-da-ta. Okay, so what happened over here? Like, can we enlarge this, or do I have to like use this, man? So this is a main branch. This was master branch. This is basically the same. So this thing, I want it to be live code Vita. Okay, let's roll our eyes a few times to each side. Moved service worker, we want to be here, right? And we want all of this to be moved somewhere else. We don't want this in our main. This is more of a experimental branch. Yeah, this commit descriptions suck. So if we want to go to over here and to move this, come on, like, what is this, man? Update readme md. Okay. Using collaborating with someone. So I want to keep this and this and everything down in the main branch, and I want to remove these changes from the main branch. Yeah, and those were the differences. So you may ask yourself, how did I get here? I don't know. How do I get out of here? I'm thinking about that. I need to zoom in a little bit more, you know. I need to have that really clear vision. So if we say, and I'm really sorry about these bad words over here. Like, sorry. So Chang Blink to Chape main remotes main SHA ID. Can we click on the branch itself? Yeah, we can. And what changes if we click on the branch itself? Nothing happens. Okay, it happens something, you know. So this is all merged. This is all part of the same history. Because if we look at the history now, I mean, it only says that it's merged. So, So right now at this point, you know, there is a third branch that we have been talking about. Or now it's a second, it's called VS mode. And if I say git branch d VS mode, it will probably, oh no, it is actually not fully merged. I thought that every change that we have made now is in accordance with that branch. Yeah, I mean, I'll just take a short break because I'm running into a wall. I know what I want to do, I don't really know how. So yeah, see you in the next one.